In the realm of interior design, few styles captivate the heart quite like Scandinavian design. Rooted in the rich cultural heritage of Nordic countries, Scandinavian style has a timeless appeal that transcends trends and fads. Picture this: a cozy room bathed in natural light, with sleek, functional furniture, muted color palettes, and a few carefully chosen decor items. It's a scene that embodies tranquility, simplicity, and elegance, hallmarks of Scandinavian interiors. But why has this style gained such universal popularity? The answer lies in its unique blend of minimalism, functionality, and an unerring commitment to quality. Join me as we delve into the world of Scandinavian interior design, exploring how you can bring this aesthetic into your own home, transforming your spaces into serene havens of simplicity and comfort. At the core of Scandinavian interior design is a philosophy of less is more. This principle manifests in spaces that are free from clutter, with each item serving a purpose, whether practical, aesthetic, or both. Scandinavian design shuns excess, favoring instead a pared-down approach that emphasizes functionality and quality over quantity. The furniture pieces are typically simple, with clean lines and a lack of ornate detailing. Materials such as wood, often light in color, and natural fabrics like cotton and wool dominate the palette, contributing to a warm, welcoming ambience. Think of a Scandinavian living room. A sleek, wooden coffee table paired with a comfortable sofa, accented by a few tasteful throws and cushions. This restrained yet stylish approach ensures the space feels airy, bright, and conducive to relaxation, a true sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Scandinavian interiors are renowned for their neutral color palettes, which often consist of whites, grays, beiges, and soft pastels. These colors not only reflect light, making rooms appear larger and more open, but they also create a serene, calming environment. The use of color in Scandinavian design is subtle and restrained, yet it is by no means boring. The beauty of this style lies in its ability to blend simplicity with warmth. For instance, a white wall can be brought to life with natural wood accents, a hint of greenery from potted plants, or a splash of color from a single piece of art. This careful balance of colors ensures the space feels alive yet tranquil, a perfect setting for relaxation and unwinding. One of the most crucial aspects of Scandinavian design is lighting. In a region where natural light is scarce for a large part of the year, maximizing available light is essential. Scandinavian interiors are designed to let in as much natural light as possible, often featuring large windows with minimalistic window treatments. Artificial lighting is also thoughtfully incorporated, using multiple light sources like pendant lamps, floor lamps, and table lamps to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The fixtures themselves are often simple and sleek, reflecting the overall aesthetic of the space. The goal is to create a space that feels bright and welcoming, regardless of the season or time of day. Another characteristic that sets Scandinavian interiors apart is the use of natural elements and textures. Wood, stone, leather, and wool are commonly used materials, bringing a sense of nature into the home. These elements add warmth and texture to the otherwise minimalist spaces, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. For instance, a wooden dining table can be paired with simple metal chairs, a soft woolen rug underfoot, and a touch of greenery from a potted plant. The use of natural elements not only enhances the visual appeal but also provides a tactile experience, making the space feel more grounded and connected to the natural world. Scandinavian furniture design is synonymous with functionality and simplicity. Every piece is carefully considered for its utility and aesthetic value. Furniture often serves dual purposes, such as a sofa that doubles as a bed or a coffee table with hidden storage compartments. This practicality doesn't come at the expense of style. Scandinavian furniture is known for its clean lines, natural materials, and timeless appeal. Whether it's a classic Eames chair, a sleek IKEA bookshelf, or a minimalist bed frame, each piece is designed to blend seamlessly with the overall aesthetic, contributing to a space that is both beautiful and functional. Sustainability is more than a buzzword in Scandinavian design, it's a core principle. The Nordic love for nature extends to a commitment to eco-friendly living. This is reflected in the choice of materials. Think sustainably sourced wood, organic textiles, and recycled metals. It's not just about the materials but also the production process, which often emphasizes craftsmanship and durability. A Scandinavian home isn't filled with fast furniture that needs to be replaced every few years. Instead, it favors timeless pieces that will last for generations. This sustainable approach ensures that the design is not only beautiful but also ethical, aligning with the growing global emphasis on environmental responsibility. If you're finding inspiration from these Scandinavian design principles, now's a great time to make a small change in your own home. Whether it's decluttering a space, adding a soft throw, or investing in a piece of minimalist furniture, these simple steps can transform your environment. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more home design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you're a fan of the Scandinavian aesthetic, and leave a comment below telling us your favorite element of this style. Your engagement helps us bring more valuable content to you. The beauty of Scandinavian interior design lies in its ability to create a space that feels like a sanctuary. In a world that often feels chaotic and cluttered, Scandinavian design offers a breath of fresh air. It's about creating a home that is not just a place to live, but a place to thrive. A space where you can relax, recharge, and find peace. By embracing simplicity, functionality, and quality, You can transform your home into a haven that reflects the serene beauty of the Scandinavian landscape. Imagine coming home to a space that feels like a warm embrace, a place where every detail is considered and every item has a purpose. Scandinavian design is more than just an aesthetic, it's a way of life. It's about finding beauty in simplicity, valuing quality over quantity, and creating spaces that are both functional and inviting. As you consider incorporating this style into your own home, remember that the goal is not to follow a strict set of rules but to create a space that feels right for you. Whether you start with a single room or overhaul your entire home, let the principles of Scandinavian design guide you towards a space that is both beautiful and harmonious. If this video has inspired you to make changes in your home, share your journey in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on creating the perfect living space. Thank you for watching, and here's to a beautifully simple and serene home.